Hi Camilla, how are you? Did you go to school today? We learnt so much about math. Why do we have to learn so much of it in school, right?
Hey Yogi, I'm good, how are you? Math is okay, but sometimes it feels like it's hard to learn, and especially the math quiz. It's hard to solve. It's only useful for tests. I don't see where I'd use all these formulas in real life.
That's a fair question, Camilla. But you'd be surprised at how much math is around us in everyday life. Whenever we go outside, buy candies or drink, we always use math. Let's look at some examples together, both in school and outside. First, in school, math helps us with critical thinking. When you solve a math problem, you're actually learning how to analyse and think logically. And it's not just about numbers, it's about problem solving. Imagine you're planning a class project or figuring out a budget. Math helps with all of that.
Oh, I didn't think of it like that, Yogi. So, math is more than just numbers and equations? When our teacher teaches us math numbers, we really need to pay attention because math is playing a very important part in our life.
Exactly, Camilla! Now, let's go beyond school. Outside of school, math is everywhere. Have you ever baked cookies or cooked with your family? Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking, and I know we always have to measure ingredients.
Right, Camilla! That's math! You're measuring quantities, sometimes doubling or halving recipes. You're using fractions without even realising it. Everyone uses math for measuring the portion of the recipe.
True, I do that without thinking about it. Without thinking how I'm using math for cooking, even when we serve the food to family, we use math to count the total numbers of plate and cups. Now I understand, Yogi, that why math is everywhere.
And think about shopping. Have you ever calculated discounts on sales when you go for shopping with your mom?
Oh yes, I like to figure out how much I'll save, especially on big sales. I see when my mom paid a cash register, she used math to calculate money.
That's awesome! You're practicing percentages, and knowing math there can help you get the best deals. Here, we can see how math is everywhere, and that's why math is so valuable. It's like a toolbox for life. Whether it's managing money, understanding technology, or even solving personal problems, math trains our minds to think clearly and make better decisions. You understand, Camilla?
I never thought of it like that. Math is more useful than I realized. Thanks, Yogi. I think I'm starting to see math in a new way.